Tasty recipe of chicken pulao. Ingredients: basmati rice, 1.5 kg. Chicken, 1 kg. Onions, 4 to 5 medium-sized. Green chilies, 4 to 5. Dried red whole chili, 3 to 4. Spices: coriander, 1 tablespoon, whole pepper, 4 to 5, cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon, salt, according to taste, nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon, mace powder, 1 teaspoon, bay leaves, 2 small leaves. Ginger/garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon. Method: 1. Wash rice until the water runs clear, and soak it in room temperature water. 2. Heat oil in a pan and add diced onions. The darker the onions, the richer the pulao taste will be. 3. Add the chicken, sauté till it changes color. 4. Add all the spices and mix them well and cook the chicken covered on low heat till tender. 5. Add in the rice, water, remaining salt and green chilies and bring the rice to a boil. 6. Turn the heat down and cook until the water drops below the surface of the rice. Cover and cook on low heat for another few minutes until water fully absorbed. 7. Now pulao is ready to serve. 8. Garnish it with brown fried onions.